In this video, we'll talk about why you don't need using system anymore, and we'll explain what global usings are. So in older versions of C#, we had to explicitly add the line using system so we can access things like console.writeLine. However, starting with C#10 and .NET 6, Microsoft introduced global usings. Common namespaces like system, system.io, and system.collections.generic are automatically imported for you in every file. So what happens if you include it? It's fine. The program will still run. So this is running with using system and it works exactly like it should. But if I hover the mouse over this line using system, it says using directive is unnecessary. So it's marked as necessary because using system is already included globally. So what to do? We can leave it there or just remove it. I'm going to comment it out. So either way, the program will still run as expected. I'm going to run the program again and let's see if this will still work as it should. And it does. So I'm still getting the same outputs. So using system isn't wrong, but it's just redundant in modern .NET thanks to global usings. So you don't need to type it in anymore. Thank you for watching.